is happiest, be he king or peasant, who finds peace in his home. And in today's world full of hustle bustle, peace through a maintenance-free home is every homemaker's aspiration. Welcome to the world of Yashashree Poly Extrusion Limited, a pioneer in UPVC and WPC profile manufacturing in India, dedicated to a greener and better planet. Popularly called Yash Poly, this state-of-the-art unit was set up in 1996. Highly precise and advanced European machinery from Cincinnati, Germany and Krauss-Maffei, Austria give our profiles an edge over others. High-grade raw materials and experience of more than 2 decades in UPVC compounding is our USP. Every Yash Poly fabrication unit is equipped with advanced machinery to achieve that perfect edge for your project. Today, Yash Poly is India's largest manufacturer of UPVC doors and windows, along with UPVC ceiling and partitions, UPVC porta cabins, and WPC doors and furniture. Windows are no longer an object to be filled in the building environment. Today's buildings demand technically sound, eco-friendly, and engineered windows. A filtered system that has a bundle of advantages compared to existing aluminum or wooden window systems. The right window at the right place has the power to altogether transform our homes and ultimately our lives. After precise laser measurement on site, our expert engineering team decides which window suits your building the best. After which our specially designed software gives accurate cutting list on the work floor. Our state-of-the-art fabrication unit then takes utmost care that your window is manufactured precisely correct to every millimeter of the window seal and fitted to perfection under strict vigilance of our installation team, making it the most technically sound window available today. Maintain a hygienic atmosphere for your loved ones by installing our dust-proof windows. The airtight sealing technology does not let the dust particles enter through the frames as compared to other conventional or obsolete window systems. Finding peace in today's concrete jungles is a major concern. Noise pollution and its after effects are a matter of concern for today's community. The noise that enters from outside the building environment due to technically incorrect window systems takes all your peace away. Double-glazed window systems introduced by us have the capacity to reduce noise by up to 45 decibel. All our windows are specially engineered to handle the monsoons with ultimate ease. Watertight seal and specially designed drain hole system easily allows the water to drain out of the chambers without disturbing the window position and GI reinforcement. Right from profile manufacturing, energy efficiency is always a primary focus of a UPVC window system. The UPVC frames being a bad conductor of heat, the heat exchange is minimized, resulting into minimal energy consumption, ultimately cutting down on your electricity bills by up to 20%. Shattering and whistling noise of conventional windows in high-rise buildings is a commonplace. Our technically expert team suggests special compounding and GI reinforcement for high-rise buildings. A complete and foolproof solution for high-rise buildings has been already implemented in various projects in metropolitan cities across India. In keeping with time, we also bring to you a classical product that is pleasing to your eyes and yet imbibes the merits of a UPVC window. Our range of wooden finish windows, a German technology offering color guarantee for 10 years. Available in 4 different shades, these profiles give real wooden windows a run for its money. A set of different combination windows, balcony windows, bay windows, fixed windows, etc. can be manufactured with equal ease at our fabrication units. Along with these exceptional features, our windows are also impact resistant, electrically insulated, flame retardant, corrosion resistant, and eco-friendly. To the people who love the idea of keeping up with the time, we bring to you
very elegant yet functional UPVC as well as WPC doors. Built out of high-tech rust-proof and rigid frames, these doors make good friends with water as well and are resistant to termites and extreme weather conditions, unlike its wooden counterparts.
Easy to maintain, install, fire retardant and free from the pain of painting and polishing, this tailor-made door stands out in all aspects compared to wood. These door frames and shutters have been approved by various government and corporate organizations across India.
Easiest and fastest to install, UPVC ceilings available in white and wooden finish are a great option for both residential and commercial spaces. Maintenance-free and easy to clean, these 20 mm UPVC ceilings are slowly taking over the traditional expensive POP used for ceilings. The fastest and ultra-modern way to build or renovate, more often in offices, hospitals or schools, is the new UPVC partitioning and paneling. These days, engineers prefer easy to make and install UPVC partitions for places like schools, colleges, hospitals and administrative buildings. The new addition to the world of UPVC is easy to install, lift and shift prefabricated cabins.
A wide range of applications ranging from tiny homes, watchman cabins, toll collection booths, resorts, petrol pump cabins and canopies,
lifeguard units, lift and shift porta cabins for new construction sites, to providing sanitation solutions under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and portable toilets for large-scale events. These cabins are tailor-made for our customers. Extremely easy to install, these prefab structures are very economical as well.
The company offers 15 years warranty against any manufacturing defect. With over 70 franchisees in India, our customers are assured of end-to-end service across India. Believing in the Make in India concept and spread over 175,000 square feet, we have successfully installed over 1 million windows in happy homes across India. Quality and customer satisfaction being our primary motto, we intend to strive hard and bring to you the best possible product and make justice to every rupee of your investment. Yash Poly, bringing happiness at your window step.